Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing a few tips and tricks through which we can identify the notes of any song. For example, Kaadal Rojave Enge Ni Enge. I can identify the notes as Sa Ga Re Sa Ni, Sa Ga Re Sa Ni. Is there any formula through which this can be easily done? Well, let's have a look. We all know that music is made of 7 basic notes. Be it Carnatic, be it Hindustani, be it Western, the basic element is same, which is notes. Apart from repeat and singing whatever our teacher teaches us, it is very important to listen. Listening has many benefits. It not only helps us to identify the notes of a particular song, but it also helps us to identify all the other aspects of that particular song. For example, what raga is that song in, what modulations or dynamics are used, what gamaka yogams are incorporated, etc. To identify the notes of a particular song, it is very important to find the pitch or the scale of that particular song, because finding the scale will help us to know where the root note or the reference note, which is sa, lies. And sa is known as the parent note. Once your sa is fixed, all the notes will gradually reveal themselves. So today I am going to tell few tips to how to identify the scale or the pitch of a particular song. The first or the foremost step is to continuously listen to the song as many times as you can, because this will reinforce the song in your brain. So listen to the song as much as times as you can and always focus and carefully and concentrate on each and every nuance of that song. Second is, once you have got the song thorough, start slowly humming with it. Don't sing, just slowly start humming with it. And 90% of the time, your brain will identify a particular note, which will be the root note or the reference note, which will be sa. And once you have fixed that this note, this particular note is your sa, you can use a tanpura or the piano to find what or where the root note lies. And in this way, you can find the scale or pitch of a particular song. So I am going to demonstrate this with the help of the song called Hero, sung by Mariah Carey. So you have listened to the song. So the song goes like So now I am able to identify the root note or sa as So this is my root note and I have fixed where the root note lies. So let's find it on the keyboard. So this is C. So our note is So our root note lies on E and the scale is E major. So I have transposed the scale from C to E. So I can use the first note as C. There's a hero if you look inside your heart. You don't have to be afraid of what you are. Remember I sang Kaadal Rojave in the beginning of the video? Let me repeat it once again. Kaadal Rojave Enge Ni Enge. So the original pitch of this song is in E minor, but I have sung it in D minor. So now we are going to use D minor as our reference note or root note, which is sa. So let's find D minor on the keyboard. So this is C. You can see it's showing D minor here. So this is D minor scale. Kadal rojave enge ni enge. So this is our sa root note. But in the C major scale it's D. But in D minor it is the sa. So kadal, it begins with sa itself. We can sense it. And kadal. So dal is obviously it's higher than sa. So we can find dal, the note of dal, with the hit and trial method, which is does not match, does not match, does not match. Yes, this is the correct note. Kadal. So this is Saga. Now Rojave. Rojave. So we can obviously feel that Ro is lower than Kadal. So Ro, Re. Then Ja. Again comes with Sa. Ja. Ve. It goes lower than Sa. So no. Rojave, re sa ni, sa ga re sa ni, sa ga re sa ni. So this is the method which we can use to find the notes of any other song. But we know that the original pitch of this song is E minor. So let's see how the song will sound in E minor and where the position of the sa will be. So this is D minor. Kadal rojave enge ni enge. So the position of the sa is in E. This is the position of the sa or the root note. And we use a similar method to find all the notes in the E minor scale also. So now let's see how the same song will sound in E minor scale. So this is D minor. Now let's find E minor. It's showing E minor. This is E minor scale. Kadal rojave enge ni enge. And our sa is on the E of the C major scale. So there is a wide difference between the previous scale and the present scale. But the steps are the same and we use the same steps to find the notes, which is sa ga re sa ga re sa ni sa ga re sa ni. Now let's take another famous Hindi song as a second example, which is Ye Moh Moh Ke Dage. So the original pitch of the song is Ye moh moh ke dhage tere ungliyon se ja uljhe. Let's find the original scale on our piano. The original pitch of the song is Ye moh moh ke dhage tere ungliyon se ja uljhe. So let's find the pitch. This is C. Yes. Yes. So the pitch is D major. Ye moh moh ke dhage teri ungliyon se ja uljhe. So the first word is ye. So it's lower than the sa or the root note. Ye. So ye. Then the second note is higher than sa. Ye. hear this moh moh, we can surely say that these 4 syllables are in the same note. So, ye, this is higher than sa. Moh moh. Yes. Moh moh. Ga 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 ga. Ke. So it's higher than sa. Ma ke mari dage sa sa. This is the root note. Sa ni. So ye moh moh ke dhage. So ni re ga 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 mari sa ni. Then the next line is teri, same as ye. So nere ungliyo. So it's higher than ma. Ungliyo. Ungliyo. So pare re ga se ja uljhe. Se ja uljhe. So teri ungliyon se ja uljhe. Ni re pare re ga ri sa ni sa sa. So putting that all together will sound ni re ga 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 ma ri sa ni. Ni re pare re ga ri sa ni sa sa. I hope you all like my interpretation on how to identify the notes and the scale of a particular song. So see you in the next video, and until then, bye bye.